There we are again with KO episode number 58. We are getting greeted by the roadworks and the barrier wants to deliver a high five.
Sag mal!
Damn it, you missed the high five. How could you do that? Oh boy, this dude certainly has a really unfortunate exit to his house, but we could see that he didn't properly look and just pulled out. It's the trucking Ben, and he is blessed with the most beautiful weather that may have also compromised his mirrors. The following BMW certainly also has issues with his mirrors. Aside from overtaking on the right over a keep-out area, his mirror issue lies in not using them. What a stupid motherfucker! He would have caused an insane crash if the other guy wouldn't have compensated for his dreadful driving. In any case, a crash was barely prevented, not so this time. There you got it, 1800 bucks of damage. That happens when drivers are distracted or don't keep proper distance. I hope you guys are not driving in this incompetent fashion. I'm calling dips on his kidneys. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be available rather soon. Roadworks can be a complicated matter, so often drivers are assisted with signs like the one to the right, so that they know that all lanes remain on the current freeway. Still, people start panicking and put together a huge mess, like the driver of this blue car, completely unnecessarily endangering traffic on that lane over there. And here we got a similar story. And now a clip with multiple numbskulls. First, this red van makes a very late move with very little safety distance, and only seconds later, with a bit of effort and good glasses, we can see in the distance how this impatient driver doesn't want to stay behind the truck for a few seconds and bypasses him with ridiculous speed over a parking area. Cops! Cops, please! The following guy isn't that reckless, but unintentionally oblivious.
This boy is electric.
Now a little peek into Poland, and of course bad driving and weird decisions exist there too.
Jetzt
Bei Rotfälle oder was?
ja.
Was ist das denn? Ja.
Ach, noch einer hinterher.
Ja.
And those traffic lights with a timer are awesome! Why doesn't this exist at all in Germany? It would make traffic more relaxed and safer. With twin color LEDs, you could show the times for green and red lights. It would eliminate so much stress. And everybody likes to run red. You don't need a car for that. A red light and a closed road. What should we do? Sure thing. Never mind the light and enter the closed road. Easy. So much of impatience in this episode so far. We should slow things down. Quite severely. Never mind us, we weren't intending to go faster than 30 kph on the country road anyway. Priority to right. Is not a valid concept for that driver over there. You need balls to pass somebody in a corner with close oncoming traffic. Or it might also work if you're simply a f***ing idiot. At least the same level of idiocy is with those people who first drive pretty slow all the time, but once somebody wants to pass them, they suddenly find the gas pedal. Our man here keeps accelerating far beyond the speed limit, but the other guy keeps accelerating too to not let him pass. I am a very calm driver. Few situations make me mad, but this behavior enrages me. If I was the camera driver and the other guy stopped somewhere, I would need to really hold myself back to not start the rocket engine with a fist at the tip. This asshole is actively endangering traffic and he would rightfully lose his license for a long time. If only cops were there. Keep out areas are a safety zone, where normally even a single car must not use them. When multiple vehicles still do, it gets rather close very fast. Christian again with a good pile of idiocy towards cyclists. I don't know, this spot where he seems to be living and car drivers very often pass in a blind corner to then instantly leave this road? What's up with this place? Does it have a special kind of gravitational field that pulls all blood from drivers' brains to make them do this insanely incompetent stuff? Another cyclist, another driver, the same idiocy. You gotta love those people squeezing in front of you at the lights. They are simply too important to wait in line like everybody else. One red light, 3 people.
Ja, da war aber so ein roter. Oh, ey, Leute, ihr spielt mit eurem Leben, wisst ihr das?
I wouldn't say that this red light violation was so severe that anybody got into serious danger, so let's watch a clip where I would say that. There is the light for cars, and as you see, it's turning red now. Well, good example for why you should still watch traffic before going on green. Because you could always meet a hero like him, and such a date would end up being the most painful experience of all time. Your Majesty does not need to brake for miserable peasants. And always does have a right-of-way. Another Majesty who rightfully claims that whole other lane to be their personal lane and nobody should dare to be on it at any time.
Kann man so durch sein, ey. Junge. Alter.
Stopping for oncoming traffic when there is an obstacle on your side? Who would do such a thing, like ever? See? Same thing here.
Ja, Meister. Leute.
Alright, that's it for today again. Enjoy this lovely view of some castle for a final shot. If you feel like this episode was too short, you can click on episode 26 to the left side, or pick another one from the playlist you see to your right. We already got quite a bit of material, and the playlist keeps filling up. Have a good time, I'll be back soon.